Open up page 11, please, to continue the story of Abdullah. Okay. Okay, as you see here, Abdullah, we are here. Abdullah rode down early to the town, as usual, in the rattly old yellow school bus with the tall black writing on its side. Scola. It says school, but in his language, because he's not American or Egyptian, or I don't know from where is he, but in his country, they, instead of writing school, they are writing Scola. Okay, so Abdullah rode down early to the town, as usual. I'm explaining this part in order not to be lost. Abdullah rode down early to the town, as usual, in rattly old yellow school bus. Look, in the American accent, we have to say it rattly, okay? But I'm gonna focus and I'll pronounce it rattly. Why? Because I wanted you to know how to write it, and because you're still young, okay? So in the rattly old yellow school bus, I said before, what is the meaning of rattly? Rattly means a high, bad sound, okay? Or an annoying sound. Bus with the tall black writing on its side. Okay, so I guess this part is clear. Let's move to the other part. As the bus bumped and swerved down the mountain, Abdullah kept watch out of the window, twirling his net gently in his hands, hoping to be lucky enough to see a large, bright butterfly. Okay, miss, I don't understand this part. Okay, as the bus pumped, what is the meaning of pumped? When you pumped in something, like when it goes up and then gets down, okay, you feel that there is an obstacle on the road, okay, like for example, if you stand on rock, okay, so you feel that it's something bumpy under you, okay, so this is the word bumpy, okay, or pumped. And swerved, it means to change your direction suddenly. And you will stop and say, miss, why you say direction, not direction? Because direction is a British word, but or British pronunciation, but when I'm saying direction, it's American. Look, sometimes I have to stop on how we pronounce each word. Not, I don't want it to puzzle you, but I wanted you to know what the difference, because maybe you will say it in a British way and you thought it's American. No, there is a difference between the American English and the British English in pronunciation. Okay, so as the bus pumped and swerved means to move or to change your direction. Down the mountain, Abdullah kept watch out of the window, twirling his net gently, like he was moving his net in a different ways, okay, in his hands, hoping to be lucky enough to see a large bright butterfly. Okay, so he aims to find a large butterfly. Why? To bring a porridge to his grandfather. Okay, because his grandfather is hungry and he has no teeth. Okay, let's go to the third part. Here we are here. Abdullah studied hard as his mother told him. He studied math and English and faraway countries. Okay, what is faraway countries, miss? Okay, it means another countries, but it's very far from us. So their language, because for example, you can study French or German or Spanish. So this is considered as a faraway countries language. Okay. He wrote carefully in his book and listened to Mr. Janine, but all the while, look, Janine here is a boy because he's a mister, while he kept one eye watching out the window for a butterfly for grandfather. So he kept watching out of the window because he aims to catch another or a butterfly to sell it and then to bring food to his old grandfather. Okay, Here we have three words. I want to focus on them. Butterfly and insect, with four brightly colored wings. Porridge, a food made by boiling oatmeal to a thick paste. Swerved, turned or changed direction suddenly.